Good morning students. Today we will start a new chapter, chapter number 6, integers. Chapter number 6 is integers. Integers. Okay, this is chapter number 6, integers. First we will start the chapter. They are the introduction of what is the integers. Okay, then you are now this first is a number of, you now understand your natural number. Okay, that natural number is start to 1, 2, 3 and so on. Okay, natural number is start to 1, 2, 3 and so on. And the sign of, suppose will be sign of natural number, you have diagram is a bar graph, you have draw this type. Okay, this is a symbol of natural number. Second number you understand here, the whole number. The whole number is start to 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Okay, and the symbol of whole number is a rectangle form. Okay, and third is a very important number is 0. You now understand 0. Okay, so this is the sign of same is a circle is 0. Okay, and fourth is negative number. Negative number. Negative number, you have put any number before a sign of minus, it's called the negative number. Okay, the negative number sign will be show is a rectangle shape. Okay, and the important of integers, that the fifth is integers. Integers will be show the sign of this type. Okay, then the first is a natural number. Natural number will be start to 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. The shape of this is type of racchic diagram, and a whole number will be start to 0, 1, 2, 3 and this the symbol is a square shape. Okay, rectangle shape. This is the shape of rectangle, and 0 will be a circles shapes, and negative number will any number you put before put the 0, it's a negative number. The symbol is a triangles, and integer symbol is this type of integer symbol. Now actually what is the integers? So you know that integers first will be natural number. Okay, that is a natural number is this type of sign. This is a natural number. Okay, and include the 0, it is the whole number. This is the 0, it is the whole number. First will be natural number, and including the 0 is the whole diagram is a show in the whole number. Okay, it's the negative number is negative number will be add, and then this is the negative number. Okay, and all types of number including of integers. Okay, it means this is the integers. Okay, and this is the 0, this is a natural number, and this is the negative number. Okay, so this is the bar graph. This is a simple example with integers is a collection of 0, natural and negative number. The integers in a collection of whole number with the negative sign. So the definition is you write the definition is definition of integers is the collection of whole number, zeros and negative number with positive number. It's called the integers. So the definition is, you write in fair copy in the distribution, integers is a whole number. Integers is a whole number, okay, that can be positive, negative or zero. So this is the definition of integers. Okay, integers is a whole number that can be positive, negative and zero. Next topic is represent the integers on the number line. In 5th class you already know that number line, but here is represent the integers of the number line. You first you draw a line, okay, and first will be center is called the midpoint of number line. This is the midpoint of number line. It is showing the point of 0. Okay, and continue. You write the left hand side, and this is the right hand side, and this is the left hand side. The same distance. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. Okay, and different is same different is 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Okay, this is a normal number line. Okay, but this number line of the integers, so you write on the 0 is a positive number. 0 after 0 is left hand side is positive number. Okay, and right hand side is a negative number, because integers is a two types. A whole number is a positive, negative number and 0. This is the sign of this number is -4. Okay, and between the middle is a 0 is this side is increase value. Increase value means 0 is less than 1, 1 is less than 2, 2 is less than 3, 3 is less than 4 and 4 is less than 5. Okay, and same here is a -1 is less than 0, -2 is less than -1 and -3 is less than -2, then -4 is less than -5. Accordingly is -5 is less than -4 and -1 is less than 0 and 0 is less than 1. Okay, so this is a number line for the integers number. Left side is a positive sign and right side is a negative sign. In each number, between the each number is equal distance. Okay, suppose on the number line you find the 5. On the number line you find the 5. This is a 5, and find the number line on -2. So this is a -2. Okay, now start exercise 6.1. first question is write the opposite of the followings. Write the opposite of the followings. In first is increase in the height. That increase in the height is opposite of increase, opposite to decrease. Okay, that is opposite of decrease in height. Decrease in a height. Second, 30 kilometer north. 30 kilometer north is the opposite of north is south. That is the 30 kilometer south. Okay. Next is 80 kilometer east. The opposite of east is west. So that is 80 meter west. Okay. D, loss of the 700 rupees. Loss of rupees of 700. That is the, you write two word is first will be write the gain oblique profit, gain and profit of rupees 700. Okay, and the first question last is 100 meter above sea level. So that is the right answer is 100 meter above. Opposite of above is below. Okay, below sea level. To finish the first question, now continue second. Represent the followings as integers with approximately say sign. The question is answer, you write the form of integers and with sign. That first is a aeroplane in the fly at the height 2000 meter above the ground. Above the ground is a positive sign and 2000. Second, a submarine in the moving in the water and they are deep in the water. The submarine in the move in the deep 8000 meter below the sea level. Below the sea level is a answer is below sea level is minus how much 8000 minus 8000 below. A deposit of the rupees 2000. Deposit is a profit. So that is the answer is plus 2000. Okay, the deposit of 2000 rupees 2000 is a plus 2000. And withdrawal the rupees of 700. Withdrawal means a minus. Your amount will be minus will withdrawal, that minus 700. Okay, that is the first and second question will be finished. Now question number 3. Represent the followings on a number line. The first number is plus 5. That means plus 5 will be represent on the number line. So first you draw a number line by the ruler. Okay, and because this is a plus, so here at the 0 is midpoint 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, and some negative integers 1, 2 and 3 is the difference between two integers 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5 is a difference are equal. Okay, that minus plus 5 is here you mark and write the plus 5. Okay, now second is minus 10. Again you draw a number line. Okay, and will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10, and here is a 1, 2 and 3 and the arrow sign, and left hand side is a all number will be minus, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7 and -8 to up to -10, and the number is -10 will represent on the number line. So your -10 is, you write the arrow and write -10. Okay, next is a, the third is 8 is +8. +8 again will be same. The question is first you draw the number line, and this is the 8, you start the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, and left hand side is -1, -2, -3 and so -4. Okay, and equal distance between two integers, that +8, and right hand side to write the +8. Okay, and next is -1, fourth is -1. Okay, you draw the number line is small number line, middle the 0, 1, 2, first number -1, second is -2, and here -1 is number of before the 0 is first number is -1, you write -1. Okay, and fifth is -6, fifth is -6. -6 means a same to -10, you write a number line by the ruler and denote the 0, 1, 2 and 3. Okay, and so in -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, there is a -6, the one number will be increase, you write, and here is the -6, you indicate arrow by the arrow and write the -6. Okay, that some other homework is question, you represent the -4, -9, 5 and 7. There are 4 extra questions you do at your fair copy, means -4, -9, 5, 7 represent the number line. After this 5 questions you draw the number line of 4 numbers, -4, -9, -5 and -7. Next question, adjusting figure of the value vertical number line is represent. This is the vertically number line is represent, integers will be represent. Okay, and observe the point of the locate of the following. So first will be the given diagram will be write the numbers. Okay, that +8 you write the +7, +6, +5, +4, +3, +2, +1. Okay, and down will be -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8, -9 and -10. It's mean the value of E is -10 and value of F is -8, minus of value of G is -6 and minus of value of H is -2. Okay, and according to this diagram you solve the 5 questions. The first question is, if the point of D, if point D is a +8, that the point of D is a +8, then which point is a -8? Okay, so you write the -8 point is a F. So you write the point, which point? Point F. Okay, now if point G is a you ask the, is the point G a negative integers or positive integers? The G is a -6. -6 means the G is negative, G is negative integers, because the value of g is minus 6 according to given diagram. Now write integers for the point B and E. So the integers of point B and point E. Okay, where is the B? Is the B is a plus 4. So write the plus 4, and E is a minus 10. Okay. Next question D is which point mark on this number line has a least value. Least value means minimum values, that the minimum values is a value of point D. So answer is a point E value. What is the value? Value is minus 10. Okay. And next is arrange the all points of decreasing order. Decreasing order must first will be write the big number. That the decreasing order of 8 plus 8 plus 7 plus 6 plus 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 and 0. That minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. This is the upper to down. Up to down is a decreasing order. So first point is D. Second point is a C. Third point is a B. Next is a. The first point, this is the sign of decreasing, D, C, B, A. Okay, and H. Next is a G, and next F, and last point of the minus 10 is a value is E. Okay, so this the all question will answer that according to a given diagram, a given figure. Now question number 5, you have homework. If any doubts, if any you have not solved the question number 5, you have some to ask to me, and next class I will solve the question number 5. Here to start the question number 6, each of the following pair which numbers is to the right of the order of the given number line. That is the first question is 2 and 9. They are two integers, pair of one integers, and ask the which number will right of the other number. So first will be the right that the two direction. It is the right and is the left direction. Okay, and right direction with the value is big number, a big value. Okay, and is here is the small number, a small value. Okay, according to this formula you have solved this question. That is the first is 2 and 9. So there the 2 and 9 is a answer is which number is 9. Okay, and second question is minus 3 and comma minus 8. That minus 3 and minus 8, the number is minus 3. Number is minus 3 is big. And third number is 0 and minus 1. Here to minus 1 and 0. 0 is a answer is 0 is a big number. That the fourth question is minus 11 and 10. Minus 11 and 10, then the answer is big number is 10. And fifth is minus 6 and 8, that the big number is 8. Okay, and 6 is 1 comma minus 100, that the minus is answer is 1.